Hey, it's Zach with Android Police, and in this video we're taking a look at the SuperEQ S1 Bluetooth headphones. They come in at around $60 and they have a good amount to offer. I'd also like to thank SuperEQ for supporting the channel and sponsoring this video. Along with the headphones, in the box you'll get the basics like a USB charging cable, 3.5 to 3.5mm audio cable, an airline adapter, a carrying pouch, and of course, the instructions. The S1s have a solid build, they're foldable for portability, they're weighty but not too heavy, there's a padded headband which is adjustable to help you get the right fit, and the ear cups are nice and soft. These are made with protein leather and memory foam for good comfort during long listening sessions. All of the buttons and ports live over here on the right side, and we're looking at volume controls which also control next and previous tracks, power on off, play pause, and Bluetooth pairing in the middle. There's an LED indicator below that. Next is the active noise cancellation toggle, and then you've got your 3.5mm audio and charging ports. Taking a look at the specs, these are over-ear headphones with 40mm drivers, a noise reduction depth of up to 33 decibels, a Bluetooth connection range of up to 33 feet, a multi-point connection function where you can connect the headphones to 2 devices simultaneously. There are 5 microphones here paired with CVC 6.0 noise reduction for clear phone calls, and as for battery life, SuperEQ claims up to 50 hours of playtime with a wired connection and ANC enabled, up to 45 hours of playtime with a Bluetooth connection and ANC disabled, and up to 40 hours of playtime with a Bluetooth connection and ANC enabled. And of course, playtime is unlimited when using the audio cable without ANC. The S1s have an ambient sound or transparency mode, which allows you to hear what's going on or being said around you, vocal amplification specifically, without you having to pause your music or take off your headphones. And of course, with ANC enabled, background noise is reduced, such as people talking, the clickety-clack of your keyboard, things like that. The SuperEQ S1s come in 2 colorways, the red and black like I have here, and they also come in a really clean red and white colorway. And you can use the very first link in the description if you'd like to pick up a pair for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to drop a like and subscribe to the Android Police channel if you're new. It's been Zach, I'll talk to you later, and thank you for watching.